Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English literature class, and our today's topic is buzzword unit 1, word meaning and synonym antonym. And today we also discuss about the question pattern and the marks distribution of English literature of class 2. So let's start our class. At first, buzzword unit 1, word meaning. There are 5 word meanings here. The first one is merry. Merry means happy and full of joy. Number 2, shrieking, making a high and loud sound. Number 3 is hollow, a hole or empty space inside something. Number 4, vines. The meaning of vines is stems of climbing or trailing plants. Number 5, exclaimed, said something loudly to show surprise. Students, this is actually our revision work. In the previous classes we have already learned this, and today we are revising these two topics. Now, synonym and antonym. Word synonym, antonym. Hollow. Synonym of hollow is empty and the antonym of hollow is solid. Wonderful. Synonym is amazing and antonym is awful. Suddenly. Synonym is abruptly and antonym is gradually. Bright. Synonym is shiny and the antonym is dull. That means 4 synonym and antonyms from this chapter. That means today we have revised the word meanings, the 5 word meanings and 4 synonyms and antonyms of unit 1 from your buzzword book. Students, now I will discuss about the question pattern and the marks distribution of the coming exam. At first, your first topic is writing the meaning of the given word. That means word meaning. Number 1 is actually word meaning. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. That means you will get 5 words for writing the meaning. 5 words will be given for writing the meanings, and each word contains 2 marks. So 5 word meaning contains 2 marks, and the total mark is 10. Now, making sentences. For making sentences, also the same thing. You will get 5 words for making the sentences with these words, and the total mark is 10. Synonyms and antonyms. 6 words will be given for writing the synonyms and antonyms. That means you have to write 1 synonym and 1 antonym for each word, and 6 words will be given for writing the synonyms and antonyms, and each word contains 2 marks. That means 1 mark for synonym and 1 mark for antonym, and the total mark is 12. Now, number 4 is MCQ. You will get 5 MCQ, and each answer of this MCQ will carry 1 mark. So 5 MCQ, total marks is 5. Number 5, answering question. Answering question is 6 questions will be given, and each question contains 2 marks. So the total mark is 12. And poem. Students, in your syllabus there are 2 poems. That means you have learned 2 poems, and out of these 2 poems, 1 poem will be given for writing, and the mark is 12. Now, unseen comprehension. You have already given 2 unseen comprehension or 2 unseen passages, and from these unseen comprehensions you have given some fill in the blanks and answering questions. That means question answer, and from this unseen comprehension you will get at first fill in the blanks, total 8 fill in the blanks, and each blank contains 2 marks, so the total mark is 16. Now answering question, the total answering question is 10. That means you will get you will get 5 questions, and each question will carry 2 marks, so the total mark is 10. Now same paragraph. You have given 2 paragraphs, you have learned 2 paragraphs and 1 paragraph will be given. So you have to learn both paragraphs properly, and 1 paragraph that contains 10 marks. Now number 10 is neat and cleanliness. Neatness and cleanliness of your exam copy, and for this topic 3 marks is reserved. That means neatness and cleanliness of your exam copy will contain 3 marks. So this is the question pattern and the marks distribution of class 2. That's all for today, students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.